Okay, so I brought you this dance. Okay. I wonder how people can jump this high, land, bang on their bum, and still not break a tailbone. And let my kid fall. God forbid, my kid falls, an older person falls in the house, on their way to the groceries, on their way to a very, very important places like work, and they fall, trip on ice, the parking lot, land on their bum. Bang, there go their tailbone. And somebody jumping sky high, landing, bang on their bottom, nothing breaks. Can somebody make sense of this to me? Somebody make it make sense to me. How? How is this possible? Anyway, don't try this at home, please. I find it very fascinating, but don't try this at home because there's a lot of skills that has gone into this for this young woman to be able to do such a brave act without causing any harm. I just wanted to bring it to your awareness. Don't try this at home. But it's beautiful though. Thank you for watching.